guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can customize your Gmail theme. So to do that, you are just going to go and press settings over here, and in theme, make sure you press view all. And here there's a lot to choose from. You can even go to more images or just change like the color of it. So I'm just going to press for more images. um, and for instance, I like this one. You're just going to select it and then press select, and then you are going to press save, and it'll change your Gmail theme. And you can also add from your photos, but I don't have one. um, so yeah, that is how you can change your Gmail theme. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!